Hey traders, that's Traders, not trader, not traitor, trader. And some people put in the chat box, I think it was yesterday, it's like, hey traitor, traitor, such a traitor. No, traders. All right, traders, investors, market participants, brethren and sisterin, welcome to today's market update. What an intro that is. Anyway, guys, we're just going to be looking around across the markets here, and strength is coming into the miners and metals right now. We're slowly gaining that strength that I've been talking about over the last few weeks, and we're slowly gaining that strength. I want to share with you what I see, and also the stock market, what's happening right there, and also one stock that I'm still keeping my eye on that might be giving me a really, really nice entry signal. So I'm going to share that one stock with you. Let's go straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. Just quick little thing, guys. I used to sell, for you guys that are, if you guys haven't done so yet, I used to sell this trading course you're looking at right now, the Breakthrough Trading Course. I know for like $500 per day, but $500 or something like that. But guys, I'm just giving it away for free, so you can get free membership access. Again, I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep free access for, but I'm just doing it, guys, to give you guys help, right? You don't have to buy anything from me. Just go get the help. It's all for free. Just go get the help there. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, you'll be able to get access to the membership area where you can get access to all the videos, free membership access. So let's get started into we'll start with the stock market. Actually, you know what? Let's start with the Dow Jones, and then we'll go to the other things as well too. So the Dow Jones, what happened today with the Dow Jones? Little bit of a pullback, right? Little bit of a pullback in the Dow Jones, and you can see, look what happened here. We had this low through here. Now let me just take this off the screen again, and let me just draw that up from there to there. And as you can see, oh, it's not doing it properly. There you go. Right, from there to there. So as you can see, from there to there, oh, you just probably got something going on from there to there, right? Look at that there. So you had this low point through here. We ran up, came back down, bounced off this low point. Look what happened. Ran up, came up. And now look what happened. We came down. Look where it actually bounced. Bounced right near. It's not exactly on there, but came right near that trend line. And we got a bounce. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see this market turn around. You know, see this market have a turnaround. What do they call it? Turnaround Tuesday? It's Tuesday for America anyway. It's Tuesday here in Australia. But I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, to see this thing turn around and start to make another move to the upside. No. Now, if we don't get a turnaround Tuesday and a rally to the upside, which I do think we do, I honestly believe that the pullback we're getting right now will be very short-lived. The trend is still up. So even if we do get little bits of pullback through here, the trend is still up and nothing has changed. So if you listen to all these bumblebees out there saying, oh, this is definitely the top and we're going to get ready for the biggest crash and the biggest deficits are coming out and inflation's coming and, you know, tax hikes are coming and the interest rates are going up the 10 years. Right? Who cares? Teddy bears, okay? So we have a rally up, we have a pullback. We have a rally up, probably a little bit of a pullback, and then away we go. Whooshka, right? And, you know, if you pay your software enough, they give you that sound as well too when we start to make a nice move. Whooshka. Not really. So we have this pullback through here, and then we have a pullback through here as well too. So guys, I wouldn't be too surprised if we see a continuation of this move up. And if we don't get a continuation of the move up tomorrow, then once again, I truly believe the pullback's going to be very short-lived. The trend is still up, so we have very strong momentum to the upside. So S&P 500. The S&P 500 is actually at the top of this resistance line here. So we're getting a little bit of a pullback right now. We may get a little bit more of a pullback out of the S&P 500, but guys, this is not the top of the markets. No. We almost hit that 4,200 on the S&P 500. I see just this year being just crazy moves to the upside this year. So I would not be too surprised, guys, to see this pullback being very short-lived, and the rest of the year we're going to see just bonkers moves, guys, bonkers. get ready for one of the biggest vertical bull markets you've ever seen in the stocky market. Okay, stocky market. And then also the Nasdaq as well too. Nasdaq had a little bit of a pullback, which is actually quite nice. Look at this here, low, higher low through here, rally up, bit of a pullback, and I believe we're likely to start to see a nice move up. Now, the market that I was talking about before is Facebook. I talked about this yesterday, but I'm really liking this Facebook setup. I really like how we got this resistance through here, had a rally up, had a bit of a pullback right at that $300 level. If we can get back up above 315, then I see this thing. If we get above 315, then I see this thing hitting 350. So really nice through there. Moving on now through to gold and gold. Moving over now to goo gaga. Moving over now to man, I tell you, my two brain cells right now, guys, they're trying to keep up with my mouth. Moving over now to gold. There we go. I can't talk today. Anyway, gold. So we did break the 1760. We had a little rollover. We came back down, and look where we are right now. Really nice, just sideways movement. So I believe we're holding here right now. We're not dropping back below the support level. Now, once again, the support level is around about this sort of area through here. That'll be the key major levels of support and resistance, plus also this trend line. But I believe we're on our way up to 1820, guys. So I believe we continue. The strength is coming in to gold, and we see it's just slowly starting to come in right now. Also, when it comes to silver as well too. Now, silver's not giving us any strong signals. I'm not really getting any clear sign whatsoever when it comes to silver. So we really need to start to get possibly a bit of a break to the upside. Again, we want to see this silver get back above 2650 for the bulls to start to show their hand. Move over now through to the GDXJ, and the GDXJ is starting to get a bit of strength where we are right now. We had a slight little double bottom through here, and now we're having a bit of a rise, which is very interesting to see. So it's going to be really interesting to see what actually happens with the GDXJ and also the GDX. Look what's happened. We've actually broken out of this long-term trend line, and now we're starting this move. Remember I said before, guys, if you've been watching me now for the last few months, I've said that the market's before you know it, the market's going to be in a bull market. You just never know. The market's going to be, we're going to be already in a bull market. And this is where trying to time this sort of stuff is not smart. Right? Because this may be a bottom, and by the time you try to time you're in, you're like, you know what, I don't know if it's a bottom yet, so I'm going to wait, and before you know it, it's up here at 40, 41, 42, and you're like, oh, I'm going to get in now. You know what I mean? So we're starting to break out of this downward movement, which is very strong, and we're starting to get a lot of strength here. So the gold miners are showing a lot of strength, and the gold miners have gotten the breakout through there. Moving over now through to SIL, and SIL, what do we have here? Bit of a double bottom and a double top as well too. We have not much going on, so I do see there's a bit of strength now building back into the silver SILJ. So I do see silver miner juniors starting to break up above 16, and probably likely to go for a nice run through here. And also moving over now through to the SIL as well too. Similar, same sort of situation as the SILJ. The SIL, there's major resistance around that 44, double bottom around that 39 level. We break that 44 level, like we start to get a bit of a move back to the upside, then I believe we're on our way up to around that 49 and possibly even up to around about that 52, which is that previous high through there. So guys, really interesting, right? Like stock market's looking like a little bit of a short-term pullback, and we're starting to get that strength now coming into the miners and metals. So guys, once again, I hope if you haven't done so yet, guys, just make sure you go down to johnsfreegift.com, get free membership access to the trading course, start getting the help you need, start learning the foundations, start learning the chart reading strategies, the stuff that I talk about in today's video. You can learn over there. Also some trading systems. If you're looking for some trading systems, there's a couple of different trading systems you can try out to see if it's a good fit for you or not, and also some mindset stuff as well too, some bonus training as well too. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. So anyway, guys, get free membership access if you just go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link in the description there. And as always, guys, the whole thing about these markets, especially what's happening right now, is you need to be patient. You must be patient, especially if you're involved with the metals and miners. Now, if I bring up this thing here, this thing right here, Warren Buffett, the stock market is a wonderful, efficient mechanism for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. Now, that's what's likely to happen, I really truly believe, with the metals and miners over the next, say, 12 months, 2 years. Heck, the bottom may have already been in gold right now, and we're starting to make that starting to make that rise. The bottom may have already been in silver and all silver miners and gold miners, and we might be just starting to make that rise. So that's why I've always said, just don't time the market. Be patient. Let the market do its thing, because eventually we're going to start to see a nice rise. And once again, guys, for people that are trying to, it's interesting. We're starting to get a bit frothy in the crypto market right now, and then suddenly out of nowhere, we're starting to get a bit of a bid in the metals and miners, gold mining stocks, silver mining stocks. Really, really, really interesting. So, guys, be patient. If you're involved with the markets, don't be jumping around like a bumblebee. I see so many people jumping out of miners. Oh, John, you're hopeless. This thing's not going anywhere. I'm going over the crypto market. Yeah, look what happened to the crypto market lately. Oh my goodness. Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, volatility to the max. And we've had such a big move. Again, guys, we're getting a bit frothy now in the crypto market. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see quite a sharp pullback coming in the crypto market. So just be smart, guys. Be smart. Don't be loading the house up, because the worst can happen in any position. Doesn't matter how good something looks, the worst can happen, which is it goes totally against you really, really quickly. So that's where you need to be smart with that there. Hope this helps you out today, guys, and I'll speak to you in the next video.